introducing yourself. Tell them your name. Amigo! Did you catch that? Amigo. One more time. Your name? Amigo! Very cheerful voice. Amigo, how else can you greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you feeling today? Great. That's right. We're feeling great, Amigo. Alright, Amigo is going to count for us from 1 to 10. Okay, let's listen to him do that in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that was a perfect 10. Okay, he's going to count again from 1 to 10, but this time in Chinese. Oh, 很好 means very good. Local children's song. It goes by the title 客人来. Oh, you know the song. 客人来 means a guest comes to visit. Okay, amigo, can you please sing in Mandarin? 客人来看爸爸，爸爸我在家，我的客人是在家。Good boy. Like that, it simply means feelings of love. Okay, amigo, let's listen to Rasa Sayang. Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat nona sayang. Hey, well done, amigo. Good boy. Last but not least, an English song, okay, so that everyone would understand. But before he sings, who's celebrating a birthday today? Birthday today on Christmas. Oh, very good. Okay, anybody else from this section? Nobody else, eh? Okay, birthday. Is it his birthday today? Oh, sorry, mommy says no. Fantastic. I think you've done a wonderful job, don't you think? Before you go, what must you say? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to you too.